Hey beautiful people, the year is ending, so now it's time to clean the freezer and pantry. So what you have here is the turkey back that I removed from my holiday turkey. I had frozen. I didn't want to keep it in my freezer, carrying it on to the new year. And so I added it to my stock pot with onions and vegetable broth. I have some videos out on how I make that. It's very useful, and it also saves you some coins. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bars Soaps and Products. You can say bye to dry and ashy skin with moisturizing coconut butter, hydrating mango butter, and healing shea butter. Oils and Bars uses the best ingredients. Why? Because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best.
Oil and bar butter, good for your skin, better than lotion.
So I added washed basmati rice and orange to my boiling water. I have another recipe where I added lemon to my basmati rice. And if you do this, comment below. I love to hear to see if other people make their rice like this. So while my rice was cooking, I added some tomato paste to my turkey. It just felt right. Now, I normally don't eat beans, but I had like 3 half bags of different beans. So I washed them, soaked them overnight, and added them to my stock pot. And now my orange basmati rice is done, along with my turkey back and mixed beans. And so I had some difficulties trying to plate this up to make it look pretty, but it is what it is. However, the food was bomb. If you enjoy watching my content, please comment, like, and follow, and God bless.